let's talk about written action of a board of governors. What is a written action of board of governors? In an LLC, the board that oversees the company is called a board of governors. In the corporation context, the board is called the board of directors. Well, similarly, in an LLC, the board oversees the company, but in an LLC, it's called a board of governors. So written action of the board of governors is simply when the governors decide, rather than meeting to pass a resolution, they are simply going to sign off on a resolution in writing in a written action. Unless prohibited by the articles, bylaws, or state corporate statutes, written actions are generally enforceable. So in other words, often with current bylaws or bylaws that are used in most companies these days, there is nothing improper about the board using a written action to make a decision in the company rather than actually meeting, discussing, and passing a resolution. All right, if you find these videos helpful and you're interested in little short videos, little snippets, some of the best excerpts from the videos that we've produced, you can find those by searching for Aaron Hall Attorney on TikTok, on Instagram, and various other social media platforms. So feel free to follow us there, especially if you are interested in that short form content, which is some of the best little snippets of legal questions presented by business owners. I'm Aaron Hall, an attorney for business owners and entrepreneurs. If you would like to get more videos like this, feel free to follow this channel by subscribing. And I encourage everybody to subscribe at aaronhall.com/free. That's where you can get some exclusive videos helping business owners avoid common and expensive legal problems and help grow your company so you achieve success in your company and hopefully as well in your life. Thanks for joining me here today.